So this is our project. As you can see, when you first open the game, you have the option to either go to the playground or go to the doctor's office. When you select an option, you do still have the option to go back, so you can make sure you actually go where you want to go. At the playground, it'll ask you true or false questions, and every time you miss a question, your COVID percentage will go up. When you start answering questions correctly, then your correct answer streak will go up. When your correct answer streak passes 3, then your COVID percentage will start to go down by more and more. If you answer a question wrong, though, then your COVID percentage will go up again and your correct answer streak will be reset. If you can answer 11 questions without your COVID percentage passing 100%, then you can win this section of the game. It'll take you back to the home screen with a win message, so you can try answering some more questions at the playground or go to the doctor's office. At the doctor's office, it'll ask you questions with 4 multiple choice answers. The mechanics work in much the same way, but if your COVID percentage passes 100%, then you will get a game over message and it'll take you back to the home screen and reset your COVID percentage, so you can keep answering questions about COVID.
Our inspiration for Kids Connect COVID is the COVID-19 pandemic. During these unprecedented times, we believe that it is crucial to educate others about COVID safety and prevention measures, especially for the younger population who may be struggling to understand the changing environment. This is why we decided to create an interactive game that not only educates but entertains kids with COVID trivia.
In order to create the question bank for our program, we had to traverse through the CDC website and other government-approved websites to get all the frequently asked questions by individuals about the COVID-19 situation. To do this, we used Selenium and Chrome WebDriver and Python for implementation. One of the challenges we ran into was trying to find out where the individual elements were on different pages. In front of you is the code that we used to traverse the CDC website specifically. Once we found the questions, we then transformed them into a Google Doc format in order to use in our JavaScript code.
So this is all of the code for our project. As you can see, we used HTML to format everything on the web page, and then we used CSS in order to style it, and then we used JavaScript for all the backend implementation. Now, the biggest challenge we faced was probably getting the question bank in, but we ended up just having to hard code those questions in as strings.
So now you may be wondering, what is the future of Kids Connect COVID? Well, we'll be expanding the question bank and inserting an information block to further explain the correct choice behind each question. Furthermore, we will continue working with front-end components to improve the appearance and function of the user interface.